Hello everyone, I'm Vidhi, and my brother and I are going to make the Louvre Museum. We're going to guide you how to make this step by step in 15 easy steps. Step 1. You need 4 triangular plastic or glass sheets for the central pyramid. Step 2. Make 17 equally spaced lines on the glass triangle. Use a permanent marker for this and give it enough time to dry so that the glass does not get dirty. Step 3. Now make equally spaced lines on the other side. This time you should also draw 17 lines. Step 4. Now use a board marker to erase some of the lines as shown. This is going to be your entrance. Step 5. Now we're going to make the small pyramids. We are using plastic sheets for these instead of the glass. Step 6. Now cut out the little plastic triangles. Step 7. Stick these plastic triangles together using transparent tape to make the pyramids. Step 8. To make the large pyramid, use paper tape to hold the triangles together. Step 9. Use hot glue to hold together the sides of the pyramid. Also apply on the base for extra safety. Step 10. Once the glue has dried and hardened, you can remove the tape. Finally, your pyramid is ready. Step 11. Now tape the floor as shown in the video. This will form a pattern of triangles. In the actual Louvre Museum, each of these triangles is filled with water, and there is a fountain in each of the triangles. Step 12. Now take out the excess bits of tape using a cutter. Place 2 pieces of tape in front of the entrance. Remove the bits of tape in the middle. Step 13. Place the three plastic pyramids as shown in the video. Step 14. You can use papers to show the fountains if you like. Step 15. Use clay to make the fountains. Ta-da! Now your model of the Louvre Museum is finally done. I hope this video helped you. Comment down below if you have any questions, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.